Are you stuck in the AI tool graveyard, constantly chasing the next shiny toy? Then you're in the right place. You probably think it's the tools. What if you're wrong? What's the one thing everyone in AI gets wrong about making a real business? Before I show you the blueprint, you need to understand the single biggest mistake. Because without it, you're building on sand. Every day, another AI tool launches, promising ease and automation. You buy in. Nothing changes. A few clicks, a new tab, a lot of disappointment. You now know the tools aren't the problem. That's not just a tactic. That's the foundation of your entire AI agent architecture. But some people skip the basics entirely. Next, you can ditch the endless tool stack. You're drowning in information, swamped by AI jargon. Another course, another guru. The results never come. The perfect tool never materializes. You're always behind, always catching up. You're treating AI like a collection of apps, a patchwork of disconnected tools. You forget the big picture. You're building a tower of functions, not an AI agent itself. The system fails because the agent never forms. Why are you getting trapped in the automation treadmill? Why the endless tool stack shuffle? You now understand where the game is broken. This isn't just a simple fix. It is the core of AI agents everyone misses. The real secret to an AI agent that delivers results is coming up. You need an AI agent blueprint. 3 simple steps that actually work, even if you're not a coder. No tech BS. Let's build it. Step 1. Define your agent's goal. One clear outcome. One task only. Forget everything else. The AI agent becomes ruthlessly focused. This is foundational to get the AI right. Step 2. Define your agent's constraints. Tell it exactly what it can do, what it can't. Think rules of the game. That's how it wins. Operators running this daily are already seeing massive ROI. Step 3. Define your agent's output. How it shows its results. Make it human readable. Keep it simple. Less is always more. Pause. Think. Can you define your perfect AI agent? What's the one result it delivers? It sounds easy, right? It's not. Getting that AI agent to actually run is the real challenge. You now have the full core of the blueprints. Implementing the agent will be next. Your goal of escaping the overwhelm is within reach. The tools don't matter. They're just the paint. You need the agent blueprint. One goal, clear constraints, human output. That's the system. That's how you win. Start now. Define one task. Write the rules. The output format. Build your agent. The second layer of this system drops tomorrow. The one that closes the income side of the stack. Your profile will show it when it lands.